This is extreme weather. We're looking at the update of the tropical storm. This tropical storm will eventually hit Jamaica. This tropical storm will be strengthening to a hurricane, at least a Category 3 right now, but it will eventually be a Category 4 or 5, but we don't know. But we need to keep eye on the storm in case everything will change. Because this vorticity just right now is really small, but it's eventually impacted a little bit in Jamaica and also in Haiti as well. Because we can see right now it's a little bit look like impacted a little bit in Haiti right now, but not right now, but at like around 10 p.m. on Wednesday, you will see it also will eventually going to hit Jamaica right now. But there's lots of things will impact it as well. Let me just show you what one things to increase this to make the hurricane turn with a disc like 500 millibars height. It will eventually shows that that little low pressure right there is not visible, but there's lots of things will turn into this event. You will see eventually there's will be a like a low pressure above the storm, and the direct hit eventually will turn this hurricane more north. That means will eventually these two low pressure will try to help this hurricane turn. This eventually to make all of these things could get worse. By the weather forecast to see how strong could be the storm will be a Category 3, but there's so much going on about that warm water because there's lots of wind shear, but I will show you that right now. Because this wind shear is a deep shear, the red shows is unfavorable for the tropical storm, because that's for good news for the people. They indicated to show a little bit trying to struggle because this wind shear will decrease because the tropical storm hates shear because the shear will tilt the tropical storm because that's how much impacted about this storm and also how much warm about the ocean as well because the heat content it will be strengthening this storm eventually, but it's just struggling because the wind shear because right now it's just 30 because 30 is bigger than 20 or 10. So how much the green is the good shear for tropical storms, but right now the red is just how deep the shear going on. This is so much going on about the weather because this is so much happening, but this is extreme weather out here.